In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the next page in a Google form. Whether you're crafting a survey, quiz, or questionnaire, learning how to seamlessly transition from one section to another is key to structuring your form effectively. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. This is the platform where all your Google Forms can be created and stored. Once you are in Google Drive, locate the New button on the left side of the screen. This button allows you to start creating a wide variety of documents. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Google Forms. Now, you have two options here. You can either choose a template if you're looking for something specific, or go for a blank form to build your own from scratch. For the purpose of this video, let's keep it simple and choose blank form. At the top of this new page, you'll want to give your form a name. Naming your form is crucial as it helps you and your respondents know exactly what the form is about at a glance. Once that's set, it's time to add your first question. Any good form starts with questions that effectively gather the information you need. Click into the first question space and type in your question. You'll notice there are different types of responses you can choose from. For this demonstration, select multiple choice as the response type. It's one of the most straightforward formats and works well for gathering clear, concise answers. To create a new section, which is essentially the next page of your form, look for the Add Section button on the toolbar of your form. Adding a section is extremely helpful when you want to organize your form into different parts, like grouping similar questions together, or creating subcategories. Within each section you can add more questions or modify them as you see fit. Sections can be easily edited to include additional details or specific instructions for respondents. What's great about sections is that they allow you to direct respondents to different sections based on their answers to multiple choice questions. To do this, click on the three dots found next to your question and select Go to Section based on answer. This feature enables you to tailor the flow of the form to suit the respondent's answers, making the form more dynamic and engaging. Once you've organized your sections and questions, you can click on the Preview button to see how your form looks and flows from a user's perspective. This step is vital to ensure everything transitions smoothly. After previewing and you're satisfied with the arrangement, you're ready to publish your form. Simply click on the Send button to distribute your form. With these steps, you've just created a well-structured Google form with multiple pages, enhancing both clarity and user experience. Happy form building!